Ebzavo high GC News, Bima Obibia Aquaba. Hadia latest and hot news. Amqua Eramede Bremo. Anuti Sonya subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say obe subscribe. The obe say obe click a year subscribe button. Now wabele a year notification. We understand video for Frobia be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka a year video. Afi we are now like video give us a thumbs up now fi share ma ofoforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensema ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanum afi yenti a yes report here ababeto ya yenti a yes ansemi yenti
Nasa what raise issues we are about Akufo Addo Jankoma creative arts.
Yeah,
what is it?
Kwabra so sa interchanges in over sa painting be na koso nice beautification nice but kwana kwhwe sika e emfa de say o artistic work de o de emfa de say artist bia not ye ne fe me artist intimate nka say artistic work nye fe e emfa de say efe. What was the processes e kwa be ne fa so this contract ne man no. Is it
on one executive?
According to the minimum, through the company. So now no head of your friend say creative art agency.
And me because and on one in the company and no, is it a hearsay or
no, it's not a hearsay.
That's when you empirical evidence.
It's not a hearsay. It's not a hearsay. What they not on China, then we come back to the ambulance issues. And also so I involved. Sa ambulance $58 million ambulance and $34.9 million ambulance per person as if for she's involved in those things. The question is Ebani saying apart from said the contract cry overinflated no. Is it because of sending papaya Akufo Addo ntia na said then? In all these things must be investigated. So that yebehu no cry wom. Because you cannot tell me say okoto spare pass our the best service 307 ambulances na e cost $34.9 million. Na ambulance na boy say. So what you say no any money bebre ho a say ye hwe ne ka ho asem because the mandate na Ghana for their man no it cannot be business as usual. Yen to me ntina o man we mu ma abai bia ba na sebe enema ye troka okọ auditors friends auditor general's report mu a chese ye sika na kwese sebe ye de contain e konsuo o man ni sika no chese ehun atuatue no obia e fa bi left right center na sa kokwasa sa na ye nso so ye de ka say what's the Ghana ha 32 million people no ye ka se ye che ye ka obia de ka more than 22,000 Ghana cedis. To the extent to say yet mean Pierre Kama, yes, Yananum, ye papa nom pension, a friend say crown, editor and combat to Tom Hunruno. And so so a quite watch me. Now you walk a nipper that send me almost from Ghana for Edomosa Bogana, come a yes, can left right center, a bit do more the echo to Guyana, a bit do the echo Mauritius, a bit I mean, it's shocking. Oh, and yen to mean Tenase and share and Yan Shahai Masadi way in Koso. It you know a very very important. I mean Denyakopo say Operation Recover All Loot. Ankoba say ya win ya we ansa na this project neighbor and kaya no beka say a friend say witch hunting.
Yeah.
And in any case we are before you be hunting. But a part of your manifesto. Etigan ni bia wo hwehwe sega NDC your manifesto no ye be disunia dia ya adwuma pepepe no. Oral is one of our manifesto promises, and we have to do it so that it will serve as deterrent to others. Because yet to me, Tnasina Sebi or my muddy to me shall sa too many of the Amasefa Bessom Yamfa Masefa Babokrono. A very important because Sebi ye nipa 32 million. And yet the few maybe a friend say nipa 100 and not 200 and not 300 and I have said 10,000. Bia ye did to me share president and some otchere to me ni be ma mo say ye munyina mo fam 1 year mu o man no na mafumo manager pade efa.
Results a free this year election by no. feeling Ben the amount.
Oh, me dear, me feel it. I'm a bit normal about it because Kakrebin a shock came in, but mostly no, I knew they were coming.
MPP in government G watching, your own friends are G watching. Me cry me can't be me G watching. And o catch him be say one here the be sinner. Ghana who be that. Enti e buy no e dey na ekoso time and resources as a trickle in.
I just feel say we'll be vindicated. Almost say yakoje bribe na ye no. Almost we the NTV being seed. Almost debi o hwe 1990 when ni man say look about we unprecedented elections into bianya history and to baby no on going forward. I think it was some time but I'm for some about me confirm my medication.
Really?
Oh yes, people will tell me on social media say I should be taking my medication because I'm say we the chima was wrong. Yes, because we were seeing something nobody was seeing. Then but nobody was seeing it. Now, not everyone was saying, look, if we can see it, then anybody who does a scientific research must see what we are seeing. Why research, PR, or use scientific method, piano, should not be blind about what we were seeing. Because I was quite shocked, say, people, said, it means, people were not doing anything.
But no, most who were researchers, they were giving them figures.
May say what we were seeing, anybody with a scientific research method and tools would have certainly saw what we saw.
So meaning almost a year projections 50.1, 50 plus, almost a good job or their
Absolutely.
methodology is wrong.
A completion of everything. Because look, we share the scale of the defeat now. There's no way a scientific research will not pick the noise. Something from science, you know. Science means it can be replicated and mostly you get the same outcome. And your voodoo and your income. So once you follow the same methodology and you speak to people who are in Ghana today, who went out and voted, there was no way you couldn't pick what we were picking.
Mira, Mame, anyone starting free a year constituencies. Now they are by regions. Now they are by national. Now let's deal with the constituencies. Young fan say Mansonia Kasakasa Kakra Ewoho. But the fact the NDC is doing 188, right?
I don't even know what
what
minimum
187. 187 and I'm say MPP so yeah say 98 880. Okay, but from the constituency level, what happened?
Look, and that was even more scarier than national elections, you know, in terms of what we were seeing. You know, much earlier. Some of them, in fact, more than 7 months ago. Some over
my specifics.
Yeah, Oshe Trobu. There were signs said Trobu is going to be Amasama.
Okay.
And then Domi Kwabena, almost over a year, there were signs. Oshe Ablekumanov, the same situation. Ablekuma West, the same. Tema West and Tema Central, the same. All the MPP system, including Anyaso Otuom. But we didn't see Wijagbawe for some time because now if you say if we know what is happening around the surrounding now, that could be true for the same Wijagbawe. But yeah, we went there, I think sometime in June or July, and the story wasn't different. And I said, so if the MPP stronghold is behaving like this, then I wouldn't bother myself going to NDC areas.
But be a almost stronghold, no?
Yes.
And I've been no.
So
NDC strongholds there.
I wouldn't go there and waste my money on it. I would never went to any NDC stronghold. among for frame me oh Adenta so I don't want to I don't know. I didn't need to go there. I didn't need to go there. And sometimes your BBI use we follow ya ne use model be MRP. MRP no we use demographic of the constituencies no. Any past elections, current data, now that we say Ebekoni said. Once we knew what was happening in Medina, any place around Medina, we know what will happen. Over hours West Wagon. No who this you can say what will happen in hours Wagon will happen in Adenta.
Okay.
Over
that is a neighboring constituencies, no?
They share some characteristics. A bit of middle class and upper class.
Okay.
Over let's say Ododio. You know what will happen in Ablekuma South. You know. Over Ablekuma North. Now you know what's gonna happen in Ablekuma West.
Yeah.
Over Trobu. The Trobu is in trouble. Ebeka Anyansu Utum. Say Trobu is in trouble. Ebeka Domi Kwabena.
Indeed, Baba Sadik no one when they say border.
Baba Sadik Ablekuma Central. No, I don't say only we say Ablekuma South or border. And
on a Kion,
yes.
And a share border,
yes.
But all right, a year Baba Sadik off.
Not entirely off, because there was a caveat. Say, Omo were mostly they have a big chunk of NDC for maternity.
That is Buama. Oh.
So in that situation,
that's a game.
No, I see there are people by their nature they are liked.
Okay.
Oh,
Buama is one of
them.
Yeah.
And I make say unless he can get the NDC guys to leave Buama, it will be hard for him.
Okay. But not Kion now No,
yes. Because NDC were aligned and NPP were scattered. Some of them were voting heavily for Kion. NPP for no. So I knew that one will not survive that kind of situation.
Yeah. But Asante region.
Yes.
Constituency level.
In fact, it was shocking. There were signs say no, in fact I was thinking say NDC will hold their usual 4 seats. And maybe 1 or 2 there will be some disturbance by independence, and that would give NDC a chance. But the scale of the numbers was shocking.
What should I see Asante region?
Whatever
with your experience,
whatever happened in Accra, whatever was happening in people's pocket, they felt the same thing in Ashanti region. And to make matters worse for Ashanti region, Omofile said they have done so much for MPP, but they've got nothing much in return. So it wasn't gonna be like, oh, I had the NT tomorrow. And I think our political class must begin to assess themselves. The attachment of ethnicity to parties is becoming weaker and weaker.
Yeah.
Weaker and weaker. The economy will always trump over those ethnicity and my stronghold syndrome.
Now, and ever don't care say NDC and year
because look, we are looking at a voting population where over 70% of them are below 40 years old. So these guys are not really tribalistic. And for them, survival.
Yeah.
So one deliver. I mean, it will be very, very difficult in the future. Also, demography, the older they are, the more attached to the party emotionally. You know, or the crowd on to NDC, bottom NDC, or the crowd on to
MPP.
But we are seeing a shift, and if they don't take care, reform seriously in the next 8 years.
Osha Asante region, any voter region, voting pattern. You saw some changes in Asante region.
Yeah, whereas in voter, they were they were more solid behind the NDC. Than Asante. Asante was completely messy. In fact, the polls have shown, say, look.
I don't know, yes, sir.
Look, one, you have issue of lack of development. Tangible development.
But use your microphone here.
Okay.
Good.
Tangible development are young Ashanti region. until the last minute, you know, started we have some big protests.
Yeah.
And I think they saw it as an insult.
Okay.
Yes, Asante thought that, look, we're a gimmick. We're a last minute giveaway just to win our vote. And look, people are smarter than we think. So that didn't ginger them. And then secondly, the economic situation in Greater Accra has affected everybody. Jobs and businesses were collapsing, even in Ashanti region. So they were more concerned about businesses and their economic survival than any gimmicks. And then third, you look at a situation where their running mates didn't help them there.
Oh, Ashanti region.
No.
You mean NAPO?
No.
Are they educators? What
I mean, you all saw his first comment when he was unveiled. Subsequently, his engagement. You see, Ashanti region is not entirely NPP. You have a good number of NDC there, around maybe 17-18%. So me NDC 4. You have about 20% or so me floating voters. So once you are trying to place the core base, no, the core base is not 100% of Ashanti region, and NAPO found it difficult to break through the Ashanti floating voters.
33% NDC in Ashanti region. 33%. Implication they say, in Susaswan they say 33.
I didn't expect them to get 33%. No.
Now figure I say.
We were looking at between 28 and maximum 30% for Ashanti region.
And they did 33.
In fact, they did extremely well, above what we were expecting that they would do. And NPP and Bawumia did exactly what we said they would do.
So what is the implication for NDC and NPP in Ashanti region?
I think it is time people begin to see, say, no place should be a no-go area. And I believe that if NDC had knew, say, they could win so many seats that they wouldn't have been in contention, many seats would have fallen. Because some of the things we were telling them, now, they don't even believe what we were saying. So they didn't invest in those areas.
I see.
I think if they have put money in everywhere that polls were saying, say, they could win, they could have won many of them much more larger margin than they did.
I see.
They didn't believe us. Some of them didn't believe us.
But with the 33, no, NDC make me build on it, and I say adjusted in 9 days.
See, there are dynamics that we are trying to investigate right now. We hear what happened in Ashanti region. In fact, Bawumia gained plus 8% more compared to Mahama in terms of Omotuaba last year.
Omotuaba 2020.
Yes, about Omamutuma Nanado, Omotuma Mahama this time, and Omamutuma Mahama, Omotuma Bawumia this time. No, there were more people voting for Bawumia net than Mahama in Ashanti region.
Okay.
So as to how he didn't get that high percentage in Ashanti region baffles me.
Really?
Yes.
So what do you think?
Look, we are still, as to the cause or the reason, we still don't know yet. We are still investigating the reason. But I believe, say, the Ashantis that came out, some of them went for Mahama than they would normally done.
So Ashanti is not sway to
yes,
to Mahama side.
A lot more. Ushe Omwa Muvo Tuma Bawumia from Mahama side now. They were some of the settlers from the northern extraction who had ethnic allegiance to him.
To Bawumia
and Amutuman, yes, and some Muslims as well.
And Ashanti is not Tuma Mahama.
Yes.
So within the Ashanti communities, Mahama won.
Yeah, he got a lot more. Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
But there were more northern and the Muslim extraction in Ashanti that voted for Bawumia, and you could see the number from polls from a Jura side, Hono. Those some of them, I think Bawumia did very well.
But 33 for NDC, can they build on it?
Time will tell. It's for them to decide what to do. If they're able to serve Ghanaians well, I mean, it's about performance these days. who perform more, people who put aside their attachments, sentiment, and other feelings and say, look, they've done well. Let's give them the chance again. It's up to them.
Let's do Western region. Takrade, Scándal, Ketan, Smenia Muniana, the Acheme. Takrade, Takrade, me call, but nam me yes, so me no grad dim come say Takrade. I'm not too sure. So Western region.
I told you, sir, Accra and the Western region would deliver a seismic shock. And Western region, because the entire enclave of Kennedy Agyapong was completely green, and that's not usual. It is highly abnormal for Kennedy, for Efia, for Kwesimintim, for Shama, Scándal, Takrade. This 6 seat to see something was happening there. In fact, when we did a poll recently before the elections there, about almost 30% of Oma Mutuma Danado in 2020 have moved their vote to Mahama. Almost 30% in this enclave.
Takrade, Sekendi.
Yep. Shama. Efia. Kwesimintim. Scándal Kitan. And that meant that if these areas are behaving this way, the entire Western region could be in serious trouble.
So Takrade, Sekendi, Shama, dynamics bearing the Maomo NPP mine. What happened there?
Look.
Yes, apart from the economic issues, the local issues, more investigative.
Look. No matter how big local issues were, they were trumpeted by the national issue.
I see.
No, I mean, you couldn't fight this election on local issues. That's all. That is it.
Ghanaians are becoming the same. The Bawumia religion play factor. The religion is a religion. Kramunino. Zongo areas, ne? Where Kramuni go and check the Zongo areas. Well, no support all. What surrounding Nipa and a Northern Wabaka, Kwajin and Kramofon, Kwajin Kramofon, and the account. No, your mamma, their penny, Wahanisano Manomano. So, the factors here, Emma Bawumia, elucidation, are these stable factors or they are factors big man son they are present in 2028? It depends on the candidate that they bring on board. Make up Bawumia himself. All the neighbor. And I want to be a campaign. I shall be serious. Can you come and no problem? Hey, so what be a company? Now, as a corporate institution, what the company now move no boka susuro. Nani pana kofa busu and for the ambassador or person assigned to companies or what the man. I'm asking you, what the man? Now, Tiana, Richard Chairman, why Richard Chairman? Chairman, who to me, sir, on some review. Sadia, we are more, you know, and before Munsiadi, or Munsiadi, I do more, you know, a BC in 2012. And still, no, 2011 hot baby, and still the NPP kept in opposition. Akufo Addo to me Kopiemo baby, na say John of pleasant memory. Aye, and now Akufo Addo de baba, e ho kan yasa say Akotwaba, e Akufo Addo ne Akotwaba no asia lusu. Ne Akotwaba. Yeah, after 2008 no. Ono na de baba, o many bombs ma say Akotwaba to no lusu. That's why me catch. Na difference na ye kakra. Now Getrude Torkornoo was born bred as a politician from day one. And Akufo Addo has keenly or you'll be active in terms of politics. And to be anymore. Mahamadu Bawumia was at the Bank of Ghana, Makako Faredraba. And among whom for Kroma Gabby Asante Bediatuo, and I did win to Mimo, and I did I'm a force word in the Panaba. Who are you going to vote for? Council of Elders, this Anomana, no Dini Panaba. And Yakakotwaba. Yakakotwaban. It is unprecedented in the history of the New Patriotic Party. J. Kofomo Diana, Asante Bediatuo 65. Not a NPP was in opposition. No, so the state and everything security there is not going in favor of them. Second, everything is at your disposal. One report to us, I know you want 65%. Now, what shall I see? As I require my wife, I didn't about 3 months will be some say. And so I presented Bawumia for 2028. I didn't about 3. Say, Nana, the Kunshiro Bana, and Mamma who said, Flyer be a starting security, say, that become 2028. I am moving to post. Do you know why? First, make us say it is early days yet. Omunya will train on more crony bibia. But look at this. Toma, you for executives for Gagani, for Mahamadu Bawumia, any being common. Mahamadu Bawumia made a statement. Or say, Nyame ya adoma, he will be coming back for 2028. One, you have opened the window and the avenue to do campaign.
Yeah.
What's him? Car boy by Yemsha no Korean also say Kwaku Bafufro. See, and he said, we should set up a committee. We should do thorough investigations. And on my bend a course, so our strength and our weakness, we should allow the party executives, they should bring a roadmap, a process for early Congress. No, you are not thinking at the greater picture. You are thinking about how we should solve problems.
Yeah.
But so catch us over senior Kodia. The minister create your mama can they have every right to do campaign.
Yeah.
Because you've opened the windows and
Bawumia himself today, no, we need police in NPP because the leader of the party, it goes to the chairman.
It goes to the party chairman.
Yeah.
In team to power a chairman. In team.
Now, brother, general secretary. On issue, crack up and condemn and
maintaining.
Because somewhere
they are shocking.
Somewhere we not say other groups, Bobos, Omoko Sabia, Ken, and also feel. And about the party reorganization.
And American. Now, the wound to the Marcos of Kwaku Annan was say, Bawumia is coming back. Bawumia is coming way back. Coming way back. Miss Ablas is me come to lead the party. Me. I'm going to tell you something. Me some better. Become a senior papa. But I'm going to tell you my candid opinion. Okay. If the NPP wants to pass through, in the eyes of the New Patriotic Party and Ghanaians, the most charismatic person who can lead the NPP, make sure to make win power, wrestle power of the NDC for 2028, and wins the election is Kennedy Agyapong, from where I sit.
Yeah.
As a political party, but Kennedy Agyapong, enemies within will fight him.
For boy, enemies from where?
Bawumia's camp.
But they stronger like that.
Okay, whether they are strong or not, me say, from Bawumia's camp, they will go after Kennedy. Now, Bawumia call for what we say. Kennedy campaign or in the internal elections affected them. 1. 2, the NDC used the sound bite of Ken and the campaign message of Ken to fight against Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. And the Ken am train by Kwaku Annan in the Manaso in Janko. So I'm telling you as a brother, in the meetings of my, they will go after Ken.
Or what's that cry? You almost security Ken. Baribo, the Sa say a year Juma. Most of me counter advert about Mahama position on free education. Yes, I get you. And I make us say it depends on most team how you are going to deal with your strategy and how you do your issue. The NPP is going to get a sharpened front. Serious division and factions. I'm not a prophet, but I'm saying still in opposition.
Yes.
Under power now. Divisions now.
Division and camps.
Okay.
The Bible story
Send the price will go and
I know Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia will contest. Don't be surprised. Someone who is close to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, Bawumia had confidence in the person who played the put to him or the contest about him.
Mebo, she say you should not put Bawumia. Yeah, Baba should a straw. Should a straw for or apologize to the party. Some of my candidate for Mama party inside for. So remember there. So remember, should they do? The NPP should come out and render unqualified apology to their people, saying so we suppress you guys and you brought this kind of person. You do not can see team. Nipene didn't buy anything. I'm why. The best next time, if we are going for elections, you better man more masses and what decided them press up the number. Near the local. Yamrasi. Bawumia became the flag bearer.
Yes.
He wanted to pick the running mate. Menu minute na and nipa na top guy said, he said, you don't back be running mate. Yet chronicle woman ubia sem ubia kasa na Emma ye settle on a duchu.
Yes.
Duel as me because duchu factors be pre woman. Na po factor no a divorce by
a suicide a bomb. Targeting for man. One of the biggest mistakes the New Patriotic Party has done, NAPO. Some pekin. Nipa ba kwam di blame the money one kasa papa Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong. Yes. The entire Boakye Anan say can control 37% of NPP delegates. Can catch your so man fan na po ama. Onu nkonkwe kapi. Bi so na kan so nim say na potie.
Nipa be almost say musa no shaibu na po o mo consider no e campaign and I'm say how dey na delegates ni wi na
nipa ba ko baby MP every 4 years bia ni vote so te o man check no 2 nipa ba ko woni nkasa onim kasa na nsema wo kan nyina no it pushes people away and then the kasa na podcast over 200,000 Ghana no na man for bisa go be
na ko na pam sa ni pa na
Shabless.
I mean, 41%. No?
Remember, this is the home base of NAPO.
Yeah.
Tell me the strength of NAPO in this kind of elections. Go and check Mahameno.
Jane.
Mahameno can't say so. Would be choose running mate on Kasa. And so the bet choose running mate or Kasa Pamam phone. Can you choose your own Kasanke?
Our resource.
Yes. Mahameno, how many times did you hear so Kasa? But no, yeah, man. What kind of catch was 2020? She was able to close the gap. Yeah. Was Central Region. Now 23 seats.
Yeah.
NPP started normally baby or baby of 10. Yeah. And my NPP nya 13. I told you it is serious. Now Shabless is I'm picking up with NAPO always trend in the negativity of the news. No work at himself.
You know correct.
When I tell you, Mokwame Nkrumah,
the last one quite low mutiny John Mamman.
Osanko Wabe Kase
Bawumia Jones also.
What I say. Ena wakabi you. No akopi mo nkra na South akum se duma se. Ai ena amuku so fo amuako. No and some the voters register contains about 65% of the youth. Tell them what you can do for them. Tell them what you can do for them. Na poni omo boy de shabula sisi. Na your recipe for disaster.
So Nanado Bawumia 2018 or no 2012 and no 2016 say manu simina so say Bawumia kwa timi sabe we ni prime minister one my person NAPO
NPP for now was up the NAPO kwa emwo mamen ka asem kire.
What about these two sets they no my party
and that NPP for your final rally no the running mate o man kwa man nkasa
no abrana
yes what ti asema make o man kwa man o mu se ko di nya jai ko se king no nya hu crowd no betima ko overboard and what they can na was and some of become e be se e de na me ka so mu fatu ayi soja nya na soja na no bi fa ka afranko asma kan no krewu am ka so mu fa soja ba kunya fa soja no mu kroki to na chi no mo ntwe man say this when a person can is square free more we have issues with you. Now I want to ask you Shabu, tell me the kind of impact of NAPO when it came to this kind of election.
Sir, or my dance of Akufo from City Koi. I found no South East Koi.
Kikabi.
And Asante Bediatuo for Koi. I saw Boakye East Koi. So NPP, NDC, I was safe seat in the Asante region.
This is NAPO for you. What kind of
person go for numbers from Asante region?
What kind of cry ni panu be problem? Obeka say bia we am uska. And I dey ben and a friend go this NDC for and I don't man show hey friend go na dey. They don't look at the substance of the message that you are bringing on board. They look at the personality. First, na friend ko ni share bu namdi and only then your issue nti na some o kan no hwe na hi on hwe the merits and demerits of the matter.
Yo, it for waiting and summer abeto yepono so make I say so we can subscribe to channel idea abomodi say obe subscribe. Now fi we like video give us a thumbs up and share ma ofofro so na when you be here sanse hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me de bravo uso betimi atchere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho e comment box ni mu mobati minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.